I don't know who you think is a millionaire around here where we just go to the store every day. Like, nobody acts like that. Oh, this year trying to get loud again.
Isaiah. Look.
I thought that's what she wanted.
Ready to the rescue yet again.
Huh? Okay.
Give me.
She wanted this too.
Say, you need everything? And then you get it?
She got
Is that all she wanted? All the stuff that he had? Wow.
You got what?
Why are you teaching her to beat the dog? Now, look, now watch her. Watch what she gonna do.
Right.
No, you're not supposed to beat the dog. Give the baby a hug. You don't beat it. Uh-oh.
Now I know what you're doing.
Something about some noise.
That's been that.
Isaiah,
My baby.
why are you beating the baby?
That's my baby. She's cute.
Bless you.
Bless you.
That's good. Thank you.
You don't say, yeah, well, she did. Uh-oh, maybe somebody is sleepy. Maybe you're right, Zay. The baby's not making no noise.
Yes, he is.
He's not making no noise.
No. What I tell your girl about being bad? No, we're bad.
Okay, you hurt my leg like this, so I'm going to get some pieces. Oh, God.
Bless you, Isaiah. You didn't say thank you.
Mama, this was mine. This was mine.
Sorry, what has to thank you?
Mommy, this is mine.
No, that one was nobody's. I got that other package. Put it there.